The polar climates are found across the continent that border the Arctic Ocean, Greenland, and Antarctica. So what climate characteristics is polar climate group most likely to have? So think about temperature. Winters are entirely dark and bitterly cold. Summer days are long, but the sun is low on the horizon, so summer are cool. The average temperature of the warmest month is less than 10 degrees Celsius, and the annual temperature range is large. In terms of precipitation, the region is dry with less than 10 inches of precipitation annually. Most precipitation occurs during the summer. So the Alpine biome is the one of the coldest biome in the world. So the polar Alpine, you have a tundra climate, ice cap, and polar climate, marine climate. So the Alpine biome is the one of the coldest biomes in the world. It's the cold because it's the high altitudes. Summer temperature range between negative 12 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The average precipitation is 30 centimeters a year. It's very much like the tundra biome. Both the Alpine in terms of are cold and dry through the year. So the Alpine biome is also similar to Arctic biome. The polar tundra climate is continental with severe winters. Temperatures are so cold that a layer of permanent frozen ground called permafrost forms below the surface. This frozen layer can extend hundreds of meters deep. The average temperature of the warmest month is about freezing, so summer temperatures defrost the uppermost portion of the permafrost. In winter, the permafrost prevents water from draining downwards. In summer, the ground is swamp. Although the precipitation is low enough in many places, the quality as a desert evaporation rates are also low, so the landscape receives more usable water than the desert. Because of the lack of ice-free land near the South Pole, there is a very little tundra in the southern hemisphere. The only plants that can survive the harsh winters are soggy. Summers are small, ground-hugging plants like mosses, lichen, and small shrubs, and scattering small trees that make up the tundra. The ice cap and ice sheet climate are found mostly on Greenland and Antarctica, about 90% of the Earth's land area. Ice caps may be thousands of meters thick. Ice caps also have extremely low annual temperature, from negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit in Greenland, for example. Precipitation is low because the air is too cold to hold much moisture. Snow occasionally falls in the summer. The constant freezing temperatures cause the formation of large ice sheets in ice cap climates. These ice sheets, however, are not static but slow move off the continent in the surrounding waters. New snow and ice accumulation then replace the ice that is lost. Precipitation is nearly non-existent in ice cap climates. It's never warm enough for rain and usually too cold to generate snow. However, wind can blow snow onto the ice sheets from nearby tundras. The ice sheets are often miles thick. Much of the land located under the ice sheet is actually below sea level and will be under the ocean if the ice is removed. However, it's the weight of the ice itself that forces this land below sea level. If the ice was removed, the land will rise back up in an effect called post-glacial rebound. This effect is creating new land and forming ice caps such as Sweden. The extreme pressure exerted by the ice allows for the formation of liquid water at low temperatures that would otherwise result in ice. While the ice sheet itself insulates liquid water from the cold above, this causes the formation of subglacial lakes, the largest being Lake Vostok in Antarctica.
The Koppen system. The climate differs depending on where you are and when you are there. However, since no two places are exactly alike, no two places share the same exact climate. However, areas that are thousands of kilometers apart and have unique ecosystems may have similar climate types. One well-known system that categorizes global climate type is called the Koppen climate classification system. According to this system, the world's climates are divided into 4 main types. Type A climates are tropical. Tropical climates are mostly located in a ring around the middle of the globe, between latitudes 15 degrees north and 15 degrees south. They are known for being warm all year round, with average temperatures never falling below 18 degrees Celsius. Many locations with such climates are tropical rainforests, which receive high amounts of precipitation. Examples of places with Type A climate are the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Type B climates are dry. Dry climates are found mostly between latitudes 50 degrees north and 50 degrees south. This area is usually hot and sunny, so water evaporates but rarely falls again as rain. The Gobi Desert of Mongolia is an example of a place with Type B climate. Type C and D climates are called temperate and continental climates. These two groups are often combined as many features overlap. The temperate and continental climates take up a big portion of the globe, between latitudes 25 and 75 degrees north and 25 and 75 degrees south. Both of these climate types experience dramatic changes in temperatures throughout the 4 seasons. However, the average temperatures in the coldest months in continental climate locations like Beijing is much colder than temperature in temperate climate locations such as Hong Kong. Type E climates are polar. These climates are found mostly at latitudes higher than 60 degrees north and 60 degrees south. The largest parts of the polar climate locations are the North Pole and Antarctica. The polar climates are characterized by being cold throughout the year. Average temperatures in these areas never exceed 10 degrees Celsius, even in the hottest months.